Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate Tjmaxx Credit Card Online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening up a web browser. In the search area, type in Tjmaxx Credit Card, activate and search. In the search result displayed on the next page, click on this first link that says TJX Rewards MasterCard, activate your new card link. Soon after you click on it, you'll be taken to this page. In order to activate your credit card, go ahead and type in the credit card number available for your credit card in the first text box. Once you type in the 16-digit card number, head over to the next field and type in your security code. Your security code is 3 digits long and it is available at the back of your card. Finally, in the last field, type in the last 4 digits of your social security number. After you are done filling in all of the details that matches your credit card, click on Activate My Card button. Follow through the on-screen prompts till the end, and you'll be able to activate your Tjmaxx Credit Card Online. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.